Hi, I'm Alex, a Sales and Business Development Director at monday.com. Today, I'd like to share my 4 greatest tips and insights for any sales leader out there looking to succeed with style while earning the respect of their team. Come, see how I run. Here is my sales management key takeaway number 1. Learn to listen. When you communicate with a client, be genuinely curious. The more your clients open up about what's important to them, the more value you can give them. At monday.com, the most important stage of our process is the discovery talk, a conversation in which we understand in the deepest way possible what's bothering our clients and what are they trying to achieve. That's how you transform a relationship into a long-lasting partnership, simply by listening. Here is my sales management key takeaway number 2. Become a trusted advisor. In my 15 years of experience, having served some of the industry titans, my mission has always been to turn into my clients' trusted advisor. The reality is there's no perfect science to becoming a trusted advisor other than devotion and passion. It means staying up to date with the latest trends of the relevant markets, being exposed to as many business cases as possible, and always being proactive about coming up with new solutions. You see, our job is more than just persuading a purchase. It's about earning our clients' trust and professional respect. Here is my sales management key takeaway number 3. Be a problem solver. The best salespeople aren't just hustlers. They are problem solvers. You are not merely selling a product. You are offering a solution to someone's challenge. I believe that your role as a salesperson is to ask the right questions that will get you to the root of the problem. That's why my mantra to my team is that clients they are speaking with are not in buying mode. They are in problem-solving mode, and your job is to help them solve their problems. Here is my sales management key takeaway number 4. Lead by example. This one is on a more personal note. For those of you in sales, the term KPI is super familiar, right? While most see it as key performance indicator, I like also to think about it as keeping people inspired. In our tough profession, it's often every person to themselves. But if you want to achieve long-lasting success, you need your team to be resilient and to aspire to become more than just their numbers. As a leader, it's your responsibility to help your team members become more well-rounded employees and find an objective to work towards. Those were my main takeaways as a sales leader. Got some of your own? Share them in the comments.